Jessica, I have seen you grow up, and I'm proud to be one of your auntie. You're an amazing girl. I love you, and I'm always here to support you. Okay, I love you and happy birthday.
My name is Ed Punagan. I'm the uncle of Jessica, the eldest brother of Erwan. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, family, and friends. What a truly special evening it is that we are celebrating this evening. An evening all the more special because we are sharing this celebration with all of you. A warm welcome to everyone, and thank you so much for sharing Jessica's 18th birthday with us tonight. It just wouldn't have been the same without all of you, or the people who have played such an amazing role in her life. Tonight, Jessica night, and we hope it will be a night she remembers fondly in the years ahead. What an honor and a privilege it has been to witness this amazing lady in her journey towards adulthood. And tonight, Jessica, as you stand at the brink of a new chapter in your life, please know that we are so incredibly proud of you and we love you so much. May you continue to walk as sure-footed as you always have. May you remain as grounded as you have always been, and may you stay in mind and spirit forever young. Happy birthday.
And Jessica, she was a baby. She's a very, very good baby, not a cry baby. Always cheerful, always smiling. Oh my God, I can believe this many years, you're 80 now, and that would make us think of retirement soon. But I'm not going to do that. I won't retire because I want to see you get married, and I want to see you having grandchildren as well. That will be 80 years from now. Another 18 years. God is just so good because you make your parents proud. You're just an amazing girl, and I'm just so thankful of Paring, Jewel, and Umare because they really love you and just do what's best for you. And you have such a great parents who always love you. And I'm so blessed as well to be your godmother. And happy birthday. And I wish God will give you many more years. That's so pretty, so pretty.
Hello everyone, my name is John, and Jessica's my kumare. Congratulations, Jessica, and congratulations, June and Ate. Very, very smart young lady. Good luck. And you know your mana, your Ate, and me and your Inana will always be here for you. Good luck, accountant. Thank you, everyone.
And now we'll have Dr. Sam Agra and Geraldine Hill. From a baby bottle, now it's a coffee mug. Yes, for the sleepless night in college, and of course your shopping money. So with that, happy birthday.
Have her mature and beautiful. Happy birthday.
And now, Mara Lopez.
My name is Mark, and His Ninong is my uncle, and I just want to say you have an amazing, you've been blessed with amazing family and your friends, and it's not, your journey is not done yet, and you're going to college. I know you're getting an accountant, like uncle, and no, sisu lang yan. So, and you're smart, and happy birthday, alright? Alright.
And now, Annie Bello.
Hi, Jessica. You probably don't know me because when I saw you the last time was your first birthday party. But I'm actually one of your Vidas. When your mom disappeared, they don't know where you and your dad went. So, but here we are. It's your 18th birthday. I wish you all the best in your life's journey. May all your wishes come true. So, happy birthday.
Bob and wife Virginia, we're from San Jose, and my parents are so blessed to have you. So proud of you too, and Jessica, and stay as sweet as you are. We're proud of you. Take care. We love you.
And now, Mercedes Alcantara.
Hi, good evening, everybody. My name is Mercedes, and I'm one of Jessica's godmother. I guess you're so pretty. Anyway, good luck, and I know you're going to be successful in life because you're a very intelligent girl. And all I can say is keep smiling. You have a beautiful smile. As Mother Teresa said, love starts with a smile. Happy birthday.
Have a nice 18th birthday. Enjoy the night. Okay, thanks.
Now,
And Jessica, I see her grow into a beautiful lady, and we have missed you for a few years now. We have to keep in contact, and I'm so glad you selected to become an accountant, and I'm really, I'm here. If you need help, I'll be able to help you to be a successful one. Happy birthday, and always think that your family and us are here.
Hi, Jessica. Congratulations. You're not really your mom. Your sisters supporting you always. I miss you so much. I remember when you was 10 years old. You have a lot of family.
Para yatang umiinit siya eh. Pag i-stop ko siya, pag i-off ko,
And now, Melinda Academia.
Birthday ni Rupert. Puro
Is Melinda here?